snap. Oh shit. Well, new video, new day, and we have a new addition to the channel now. So the 50 got sold after I crashed it, realized I couldn't fix it, so I ended up selling it, and I am getting my IS300. Until I get my 50, I'm gonna be mobbing this for a while, doing work with this. So let me set this up somewhere. Where can I set y'all up at? I guess I'll just set it right there. So for now, I'll be mobbing the IS300, and no, it's not mean I'm doing JDM now. I'm just doing this till I get my 50. This is my daily, so I kind of want to do a small little stance build on it, but like not camber, crazy camber, just do something cool. And yeah, so far, but it's getting new speakers right now. I'm gonna show that in the next clip, but yeah, I'm getting new speakers in it, about to tint the windows, new tail lights, and then once I get my 50, I'm probably gonna lower this, throw it on some wheels, and do a whole little, you know, shebang with this. But yeah, it's my new daily. It's cool, comfortable. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna do another video if you should buy an IS300 or not, but this car is really good. Like, this car is really underrated how good it is. Like, this thing is way better than the 320. Like, this was made to compete with a 328, and this thing is way better than the 328 of the same year. So yeah, be tuned for the video when it comes out of if you should get one or not, because these things are great. But that's it for now. I'm gonna turn into these speakers, and I'll get back to y'all.
Up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hope we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hope we'll meet again. Oh, shaboom, 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 shaboom.
So I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why removing speakers are this difficult, but that shit was difficult. It took all this stuff out, and then yeah, I found some interesting discoveries in the car too. But I'm gonna clean everything out, vacuum everything, because it was a mess. It's dirty as hell in the backseat of my car, so I'm gonna clean everything out. Actually, let me show y'all, because this shit was gross. Like, look at all this. That's hella gross. I'm gonna vacuum up there too. These are about ready to come out now. So yeah, doing yeah. So Project 300. I'm gonna need to help with a better name than that. Project 300 or something, whatever. If you ever get IS300, just know removing the back seat, the back speakers are gonna be a pain in the ass. But you wanna get it done. I'm gonna tap in with y'all when I'm done. All right. And we are done with the 300 for today. As you can see, last time you've seen it, the interior was there in the back, but we're done now. Look. Oh, everything's back to normal. I put the headrest back, and yeah, like I was saying earlier, if you want to change speakers in the IS300, it is going to be a pain in the ass because you have to remove the entire back seat for it. So also you have the splice wires, connect wires that they didn't tell you, but we figured it out. We got it. We're done. Next step will be getting tints, new tail lights, and then the road to the 50. So this is the comeback right now, but stay tuned. And yeah, I'll see y'all later.